The built-in infotainment system is a piece of cake to use. The touchscreen panel controls everything you need with just a gentle tap or swipe. And of course, you've got the steering wheel controls right at your fingertips. To use the radio, you simply select the right mode, search for the station you want, FM, AM, or even digital, and use the built-in buttons on the steering wheel to control the volume. Or to change the channel. You can preset the stations and turn the radio text display on or off. You can also choose whether to receive traffic announcements so you know which routes to avoid. Definitely nice to have a little less stress in your life.